Hi, welcome back to Sales Tips. I'm Christopher Beasley. Today we'll be talking about overselling. Have you ever been out to purchase something and you're being sold by a salesperson and you've already made up your mind that you want it, whatever it is that you're purchasing, whether it's a new computer, cell phone, whatever, and you let them know that you want it, but they just keep talking. And they keep explaining features and they keep telling you benefits. That's a no-no. Do not oversell. And the reason why is because the human brain is very finicky, very delicate. And so you may say some little, which to you may be minute, but the customer may say, really? You know what? On second thought, I probably bet a whole lot on that. You just lost the sale. All right. And I've seen it happen a few times. I actually knew one guy in particular. He was so bad with overselling, he got fired. Imagine that. You lose your job because you're overselling. I mean, it does make sense because, if you get enough customers that get second thoughts, that means you're selling less. And you don't want your numbers to go down. So it's important that, when a customer gives you buying signals, they're nodding their head and, and they tell you that they want it. That's it. Stop talking. You either start writing up the invoice or escort them to whoever needs to ring them out or whatever. But if a customer tells you, I'm sold, I'll buy it, you stop with the sales process. It's done. Okay? And trust me, it works. Okay? Because I've seen it go the other way many times. I've been guilty of it myself. Spoke a little too long and then the customer says, you know what? I think I better think about this a little longer. Leaves a bad taste in your mouth because you had it, now you don't, okay? So, remember, when the customer says, I'll take it, you give it to them. You stop talking, start writing, all right? So, hey, be sure, if you know of any times where you've oversold or you've seen someone oversell it, leave it in the comments. I'd like to hear about it, Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, hit the bell icon so you get a notification when the next video comes out. And don't forget to share these videos because there's a lot of people who probably could use some of these tips. And each tip easily could translate into, a few more sales out of the week, which looks really good at the end of the month. Okay, so yeah, share this information to someone who you think might need it. And, let's grow this channel. All right, take it easy. Bye.